Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're looking into more updates and news that we have here for today. Let's have a look at what the price is actually going to be in the near future and what most of y'all should expect. What are the glitches and news we got for today? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. First of all, Bitcoin will do to the banks what email did to the post office Bitcoin, as Bitcoin price was $4 when this post was made. This guy for sure knew it. Bitcoin is going to $1 million. It's just a matter of when, and you need to understand that when it's going to happen, how it's going to happen, and will you be ready for it. Bitcoin's bull run begins, and as we can see on the chart, we are absolutely over here. We are expecting a massive surge, the one we had already before when we dropped down, then we got a small pullback, and then we got the bull run. After a bounce, we got down as well, and right now is the moment when we are expecting an actual bull run happening on the long term and the short term perspective as well. Bitcoin was divine intervention for me. It came into my life exactly when I needed it most, and I don't know how I would have handled the last 4 years without it. I'm not religious, but there's just something about Bitcoin. It's like a bright light within me. Can't actually explain it. 21 Shares submits its 5th amendment to the spot Bitcoin ETF with the SEC. The anticipation is high. Could this be the one to secure approval? Breaking news, Bitcoin has $428,000 on the Binance futures, and everybody saw that it happened. It was a glitch, it wasn't expected to be the real one, so you need to understand that. The next one we go is the current projected top right now is at 54,000. I use this tool each cycle to understand where Bitcoin is in terms of its potential tops and bottoms. It works every single time. It is part of my trading process. For now, I would prefer Bitcoin to continue moving slowly so that those tops keep rising. This analysis was made using our own private indicator access for free 7 days. So if you want to check it out, write our algo. It's an indicator that you can watch in, but I'm not recommending to watch into indicators. They're all not true, to be honest. $1 billion worth of Bitcoin just left exchanges in a single day, the most in a year. When coins leave exchanges, it usually means investors plan to hold on to them for a long haul. Next one we go, the Bitcoin Core before Bitcoin Core. Do you know Bitcoin Core wasn't always Bitcoin Core? What we all refer to as Bitcoin Core is a direct descendant of the original Kyle line published by Satoshi on the mailing list on 8th January. Of course, back then it was called simply Bitcoin, and upon release was only supported on Windows. In a relative short period of time, Bitcoin goes through quite few major changes, and then on the 12th December 2010, Satoshi writes his last post on the Bitcoin Talk forum. FFW to 2013. At this point, new things are added to Bitcoin. New people are contributing to the project, and Bitcoin matures quite a bit. And at the beginning of 2013, people noticed that this is a need to differentiate between Bitcoin and network. And Bitcoin, the community was asked to weigh in. There were 3 places where this conversation took place: IRC, Reddit, Bitcoin Foundation Forum. Some of the suggestions: Nova, Origo, Bitcoin Prime, Bitcoin Classic, Mercury, blah blah blah. So initially Bitcoin Core was proposed by Mike Hearn and seemed like the only sane suggestion. And one of the main criticism was that this makes it sound like it's an official thing. However, worth mentioning that by the time people who contributed to Bitcoin were referred to as the core developers. And after about 1 year and a bit of bike sheeting, Bitcoin Core is picked. And on the 19th March 2014, Bitcoin Core 0.90 was released, and that's the name we have been using since then. So that's what we got on today's video on the information that we have on the Bitcoin, and there are more to come, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one, and peace.